In this video, we will talk about arithmetic progression, which is known as AP. So, an arithmetic progression or sequence is a sequence of numbers such that the difference between the consecutive terms is constant. So, here the sequence means a pattern which is going on. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it is going on. So it says the difference between the consecutive terms is constant. So it means the difference between the consecutive numbers, which is this one. So the difference between 4 and 2 is 2. And similarly, after that, the difference between the 8 and 6 is 2. So this difference will always be same. So similarly, let's take one more example. So this is an AP which is going on. So the difference between the consecutive terms, which is 8 and 4, 12 and 8, 16 and 12 and 20 and 16, it will always be same. So 8 minus 4 is 4, 12 minus 8 is 4, 16 minus 12 is 4. So this is known as arithmetic progression, which is also known as AP. Now let's talk about different terms of AP. So the difference between the consecutive terms is also known as D, which is known as common difference. And the first term of an arithmetic progression is designated as A1. Let's suppose that this is an arithmetic progression A1, A2, A3, A4. It goes on. The first term is A1. So the common difference is D. So which is the difference between the consecutive terms. So this will be equal to A2 minus A1. Similarly, for these terms, D must be equal to A3 minus A2. And the last term is known as AN, which is also known as nth term. Now let's talk about general form of an AP. So the general form of an AP is A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and it goes on like that. So how this form is made? So let's take an example to prove that. For example, there is an arithmetic progression like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So in this arithmetic progression, the first term is 2, first term is 2, and the common difference, which is d, is 4 minus 2, which is 2. So our first term would be 2. So its second term is a plus d. So the first term is 2. So d, which we calculated, is 2. So a plus d is 2 plus 2. The third term is a plus 2d. So first term is 2. Common difference is also 2. So 2 into 2. The last term is a plus 3d. Sorry, the fourth term. So it is 2 plus 3 into 2. So our arithmetic progression will be 2, 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 2 plus 6 is 8. So here our arithmetic progression is 2, 4, 6, and 8. So as we calculated all the terms, you can see A1 is A, A2 is A plus D, A3 is A plus 2D, A4 is A plus 3D. So similarly for the nth term, what will be the formula? So if you see, for the third term we attach 2 with D, for the fourth term we attach 3 with D. So we are subtracting 1 from the nth term. So similarly for the nth term, what will be the formula? It will be n minus 1D. So the formula for the nth term is a plus n minus 1D. So where a is first term, D is common difference. So if you have to calculate the 20th term, so you can simply write a20 and a plus, so n will be 20, 20 minus 1 d. So the formula for the 20th term will be a plus 19d. So there is a formula to calculate the sum of n terms of an AP, which is designated as Sn. The sum of n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. And there is one more formula, which is n by 2 a plus l. So here n is the nth term, a you guys known as first term, d is our common difference, l is last term. For example, if there is an arithmetic progression, let's say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and if we have to calculate the sum of all the terms of this AP, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, so it will be really difficult to add all these terms. So we can simply use this formula to calculate any term. So let's say we have to calculate the sum of an arithmetic progression. For the 20th term, we can just simply write as 20. N will be 20, 20 upon 2. 2a plus 20 minus 1d. So it will be 10. So it will be 2a plus 19d. Similarly, the other formula, which is n by 2 a plus l, is used when we have the first term and the last term. If the first term and last term is given and we have to calculate the sum of an arithmetic progression, so we can simply use this formula by putting the first term and last term.